Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. My name is Idypat. Just in case this is your first time visiting my channel, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my wash and go. It's been ages since I did this. Apparently it's winter, so I rarely keep my hair out except on Sundays. During school days, I do a protective hairstyle, in which I shot a video last week and I posted it on YouTube, so I'm just gonna link the video in the description box in case you missed it. So having said that, let's just hop right into it. I don't want to talk too much in the intro, so let's just go right into the video. Okay, so what you would need would be a hair gel. I'm using this My Hair Gel. I got this from a local store, and I could also use this one as well. It's almost done, so they are basically the same brand. And you would need a spray bottle with water in it, and you would also need some hair clips. Okay, you would also need some hair clips, you know, like to separate the hair. A little bit clumsy today. Product. I really love and dig this hairstyle so much. Like look at it. Anyways, this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.